Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Kerala Special Beetroot Recipe. It is usually served along with rice. This recipe is healthy too. We need 30 minutes time for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut. Add 3 green chillies, half inch ginger, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. Then grind it into a paste form. In a pan, take 2 cup or 200 grams of chopped beetroot. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. When it starts boiling, close the lid and cook for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Stir in between. Now keep it low flame and add the previously grinded mixture and mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Then add 1.5 cup of whisked curd and mix it for 1 minute. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. Change it to low flame and add 3 red chillies, 8 to 10 curry leaves. Mix it for 10 seconds and switch off the flame. Garnish this on top of it. Our Kerala Special Beetroot recipe is ready. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 8 people. This healthy recipe can be made in 30 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.